Hi all, myself Kishore from Tamil Nadu, Salem. I am working in a mining industry related company, and the company name is Geo Exploration and Mining Solution, and I am very proud of working there. And after joining the company, I explored a lot of surveying and mapping industries, and I also have done a lot of projects in mining industry also. And we already done projects in using various instruments like global positioning system, total station, DGPS, and we have a lot of divisions in our office. And now we are trying to upgrade ourselves into drone also. So once I started to research in drone, I have started researching in many institutions which one is best out of all RPTOs, and Telangana Aviation Academy was very much prompt in giving all the responses. So whenever I call them, they give quick responses, and after registration I have got the next batch itself for the training, and the training was quite good. I have best instructors for me, and all the classes were very quite best, and they gave the best coaching in all these 5 days of training. And now I am very much expert in flying my drone, and I have confidence also while flying the drone. Now after completing this course, I will be buying a drone, and I will be implementing them in all the mining industries for calculating volumetric survey and extent analysis, and we will be doing photogrammetric survey as well as video surveillance also. So my main objective of coming here is to implement drone surveying inside my company and do the needful in order to do safety in the mining industry.